Hi guys, my name is Khurram and today I'm going to have video about FlexLayout. It's a pure TypeScript library which is maintained by Angular. We use FlexLayout to make websites responsive for all devices. It's very easy and especially it's really fun to work with the library. So I thought to have a video for FlexLayout. So let's start. Before to start, let's see what I have done already. I have created an empty Angular project and I have installed FlexLayout and have added Material UI. I have done that to just save my time. So let's start now. First of all, see, this is my empty project and its default layout, and I have done nothing with the project. This is my example which I will try to implement. It's responsive and it has menu, and it's not anything special but just a layout, and that's it. So let's design this interface. Let's go to my Visual Studio Code. It's totally empty. See, this is the HTML, this is CSS file and app.module. I will add all the components in this file. I'm not thinking about structure. I'm just structure of the program. I'm only working on the layout. But when we are developing the real application, we have to think about the structure, and then please don't add all the component in one file. I will do this because I'm just playing with the Flex layout only. So first of all, let's delete this code and write div hello world to see if my application is really working. Yes, it's working very fine. Thank you so much. And now let's open the app.module because I'm going to add some components. So first is import and met module from Angular material. Okay, so I'm going to add 4 components from Material UI. First is icon, and second is button, third is menu. So let's add an icon, button, and last is menu. I don't need menu. I don't need Material UI for Flex layout, but because I will add menu and there are button and icon, everything, so I have to add these 3 components. Anyhow, I'm going to add also one more, and it's Flex Layout LAYOUT module from again Angular Flex layout. That's it. Now let's mention here. So that's it. I have actually added 4 components. I don't need this file anymore, so let's close this one. Now I will work only with the CSS file and HTML file. Again, I'm saying I will add all the components here, but when we are working with the real application, please don't do it because it's a very bad structure. I'm just doing because I'm playing with the Flex layout only. So first of all, let's have the parent div. Let me see. This is our example. So first I will have the menu and so on. So let's have that component. Let's see. Okay, so first is this is our main what is called fxLayout, and here I'm going to say row and wrap. Wrap makes the div as a grid, so it behaves like a grid. And row actually I'll show you. Div hello copy word. When we mention row here, then automatically all the components which are added in this div will come horizontally. For example, if I'll see now hello word, hello is word, they are next to each other. However, if I will write here column, now they are up and below. See, now they are up and below. That's the difference. When we write row here, it fills the div horizontally. When we write the column, it fills the div vertically. But I need row, that's why I'm mentioning here. Now that's good. Okay, and one more thing, let's write fxLayout align center. This means now they are in the center. But we don't need this one hello word, we need a div. Let's call this menu div, and here, okay, let's first design this. Let's add some CSS style. First of all, background color, let's say this one. And actually I have the color. Yeah, this is for color. And color is white, and one more thing, height is 50 pixel. Background color white, height, that's it. Let's see now. Okay, that's very good. Now we have this one, but the problem is it should be more. Okay, let's close this one. So now I'm coming here and I'm saying when fxFlex 70%. fxFlex is the most usable word in Flex layout. Here I'm saying when the screen is normal or medium, take 70% of the parent div. When fxFlex dot small, when the screen is small, take 100%. And again, when there is a extra small, first mobile devices, take also 100%. Now let's see this. First, now we have a div. That's very good. This is almost there. Yes, we have a space above. Okay, let's add the div here. Dot space, and let's see. I'm just going to add space. I can do, yeah. Okay, let's do it. Padding dot top. Let's say 8 pixel. That's it. So now we have a space. Okay, but the thing is, actually this is not in the center, so this should be, actually it should be in the center. But what I'm going to add, I'm not going to add anything. I will add icon and the button. So I'm saying first is math.icon and folder. Yes, I only know this one. And one more thing, I'm just saying my company, COMPAN, company is the name of the company. So we have, okay, we have the name and the company. That's good, but the problem is they should be aligned. So I'm just going to say fxLayout align, and this is let's say start. We don't need to write here start all the time. Start is by default. So now they are in center. Okay, now one more thing is it's not working. Let's make it. That's good. Div. Delete this one. Maybe. Okay, that's fine. That's very good. No, but I need to add also many other things. So I have to add this one because sorry for time wasting because I have to let's add this one here so it will be more aligned for both, but I don't need this one, so let's have a space. If there is a space, so by default it's start, so now it's fine. Okay, let's change the color. ng style. It's a bad practice to change static color here, but let's change it. Color. Okay, and inside this color red. ng style color, ng style font color is equal to red, and it's font color. No, it's not font color, just a simple color. Sorry, I have to add this one. One more. Okay, so color is red. Now the come on, red is bad. Yellow. Yeah, that's one. Okay. Anyhow, it's not a good practice to add statically here, because we should do this in the CSS. We should change or set something here when we are going to change something dynamically. But I'm just doing just for fun. I'm just playing. Okay, done. Now what next? I have to add this text, so let's do it. Div and no, say text 1. So this is 4 and this is 3. I know I'm not doing thing right, but I'm just adding statically. So 1 2 3 4 5. The text is there, but the problem is this should be on the right side. So there are many ways to set this text on the right, but there is a trick which is with the flex layout. So let's do it. I'm going to add one more div and then saying okay, fxFlex 100%. Now what's happening? Now it's on the right side. Okay, that's let's add NBSP. Let's add the okay, not 100%. If I remove this one, let's see. So that's good. Let's see now. Yeah, it's working. There, it's working very well. Let me show you how this works. If let's see the behavior of this one. Class, I'm going to add the border be red, which is the red border only. So let's define the see be red, and I'm saying border 1 pixel solid red. See, this is the red border. It means now it's the div which is here, it's stretching the both component. Now if I will reduce the space, so it adjusts automatically even in the small screen. That's the trick, and it's worked very well. So that's fine. Let's remove this class. I don't need it here. Okay, what next? Oh, I've done that. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. I have a name, icon, and the text. But the problem is when I have a small screen, then still there is a text. But however, in our example, when the screen is small, it disappear, and now it comes the icon. So let's add this one. So I have this is the Angular, this is the material UI, and I'm going to, okay, let's add this one. It's very simple. And div here, and I'm just going to add, and let's, instead of this menu, and let me add mat.icon, and here menu. I'm just adding a menu. So let's see. Yes, I have a menu, so it's working. One atom 1 2 3, but we should have, oh, we should have text, because our text 3 and 4, so we have a text. This is 4, and okay, so now we have 1 2 3 text 4. That's fine, but the problem is this should not be visible when the screen is full on the normal or medium screen. And so that's why this is the div where actually I'm adding the menu. So I'm saying fx, this is a flex layout command. I'm saying hide, so make it hide. However, make it visible, or show when screen is extra small. Let's see. Now it's hidden. That's good. But when the screen is extra small, then it's visible. Now, when the screen is extra small, this should not be visible. See, this is not the visible. Text is not visible. So let's do it. This is the div which is showing the text. So I'm just saying fx show, make it visible almost all the time. That's, however, fx hide extension when the screen is extra small. So make it show all the time, but hide it when the screen is extra small. And here we have extra small screen for the mobile devices, and now it's hidden. However, when it's medium, or sorry, small for the tab, or even for the laptops or bigger screen, it's visible. That's it. I can add a predefined menus somehow, but I like to implement this one layout with the fxLayout library. Okay, so that's very good. Just except that this one is small icon, but I have changed the color. Anyhow, now I have implemented the first, I have designed the first div. The next is I like to have this one. So for the first div, we have to have three divs, or 3 columns, or 3 divs, sorry, 1 2 3. So for the normal screen, it will be 25%, 25%, and 50%. If the screen is small, then let's say small, then it is 50%. Oh, not this one small, sorry. This one, 50%, 50%, and 100%. And when the screen is extra small, let's make it small. When the screen is extra small, then 100, 100, which is I think almost a standard. So let's do it. I'm going to have this first div. So right now we have this one, and let's go to the Visual Studio Code here. Okay, now I'm going to add one more div here. Again, because I'm just playing, so I can do that. Otherwise, it's not allowed to add multiple divs in the same file. Second div, and let's add. And first of all, let's have this one. And let's see. Let's delete for this one. I don't need for a second. And let's see, second div is just a name. I'm not going to define any class here. Okay, so we need 3 divs. So 1. Okay, this is, and okay, when fxFlex, when the screen is small, normal 25%. However, this will be 50%. So 25%, 25%, and 50%. Yes, 100. Okay, what next? When the screen is small, for the tabs especially. So 50%, 50%, and 100%. Okay, fxFlex.small. Okay, first to 50%, and this one is 100%. And okay, let's have small. fxFlex.small, and it's 100%. And I'm saying here 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see. That's good. We have 1, 2, 3 now. Okay, let's have some background color. So class div A, B, and C. Let's define these classes. So div, and first is color and font size. Let's add the font size some 20 pixel, and minimum height, minimum height, let's say 160 pixel, and background color, and nothing else here. And I have background color somewhere, yes. Hopefully it's fine. Let's see the results now. Oh, okay, that's very good. And A, B, and C. Now what next? Okay, why is that like a div A, div B, and div C? That's good, that's good. I think I have to add here fxLayout align row wrap to make it grid. Okay, but why these are not working? Div A, div B, and div C is not working because of this one. Okay, so now we have 3 divs. That's good. Color is fine, and let's have space. SPAC space and fxFlex 100%. So now we have a small distance. That's good. So they should all be in the center. So let's write fxLayout align center CENTER. So now these all are in the center. Okay, that's good. We have this one. For the full screen is fine. For small screen or even extra small, it's not working. Okay, why not? We have add row wrap, that's fine. Div ABC 25%, 25%, 25, that's fine. And a small 50%, 50%, and okay, let's see. Let's have also center. Yeah, it's in the center. There's a flexible line center, and 50%, 50%, 50% of the 100%. Now let's see, wrap, only the wrap. Now 25%, 25, and the small, come on. Extra small, now it's 50%. Come on, Khurram. Now it's working. That's mean when they are small screen, that's it's 50-50 and they are next to each other, and the third is in the bottom. And when they are small, extra small, so all they are by standard 100%. So this is the behavior we like to have for the second div. Okay, what next? Next is I like to have the third div, and how it should behave when the normal screen, that's fine. When the screen is small, then the 4 and 5 they should up and below, and 6 should be on the right side and fully stretch. This is almost the same like this one, but this is horizontally aligned. These are the vertically aligned. Here I can change the layout from row to column, but I think I should do the same way as I did the first column, first row, so it will be more understanding. And what next one is the small, so it's 100%. Let's start. Here I have to define actually two parent div, which I didn't do in the second row. So 50%, 50%. Let's have I have a new keyboard, so I sometime problem. Okay, third div, and here I'm saying okay, first this is the same, and here I will have a two div inside, copy paste, and that's it. So we have two divs, but for this one, first is fxFlex. When the flex, then 50%, yes, right. fxFlex dot small, then again 50%. Okay, 50%, 50%. They both are 50 and 50%. 50% for this one, 50% for this one. They both are 50%. But when they are here, so this will be the 100% for the. This will be 100% from here to here for first two, and this will be the last 100%. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so and fxFlex dot extra small, and here is 100%. That's fine. And here again I will have two divs. Now these are two divs, and one, two. So here 4 and 5, and in here I will have one div 6 and 6. Okay, let's have for these both 25%, no, 50%, 50%, 50, because here is the column. Let's make bigger. Okay, so 50% of the parent div, 50% of the parent div. So fxFlex dot not flex, come on, 50%. That's fine. Here now they are 100%. So fxFlex, here I can use column, but I like to do the same way, small, and now it's 100%. Okay, and the last is when the small, so again 100%. I said this. So fxFlex dot extra small and 100%. That's hopefully fine. Now let's see the next. 100%, yes, 100%, and then loss is also 100% for the third column. It will be wrap, yeah, it will wrap the third column. Okay, so 100%, 100%, 100%. Let's copy the whole, and let's see 100%, 100%, and 100%. Now let's see the result. Okay, 4, 5, 6, that's good. Let's align a little bit, and so then fx layout each align center. Sorry, I don't need to add this one. I'm doing that. Okay. So the center, and this is also the center. But these are the center now. But okay, now I have to have. Let's have the background class div A and B. Let's have C here. Okay, let's space. Okay, 4, 5, 6. I think we should have a different color just like this one. So let's go to the here, copy B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Rest are the same, just I have to change the color only. And I have color, but why is the problem? Yes, I have these colors, so let's have this color here. That's fine. What I did, I changed the color now. Yes, I changed the color, but I didn't change here. So this is now D, this is E and F. Okay, now we have different colors, so we can see or observe the behavior very clearly. Okay, that's fine for the normal screen. What about the small? No, this is not right, because we should have up and below. So this is the wrap, and actually I have to wrap here as well, because I'm sorry, this should behave also like that grid. So now we have up and below. That's good. And this is stretched because we set the minimum 50%. See, this is stretched, and now it's working. What about the small, extra small screen for mobile? That's also working fine. So everything working very well. Okay, so for the third row, I have to add 2 parent divs and 1, 2, 3, 4 children. For the parent divs, these are the 2, 1 and 2. These are the here, and the children I have. When there is a medium or the normal screen, then this is 80% and this is 20%. And for children, these are the accordingly. However, when the screen is small or extra small, this is 100%, and the parent again second is 100%, and it is 33, 33 and 34. This is the whole logic. So it will design like that. So let's start. I have code here. So let's bad practice. That's very bad practice. Again, I'm saying that to adding everything in one file. So fourth div, let's copy this one. I don't need this one, just this one. This was just the name of. Okay, flex layout array, and is a 4. 70, 100, that's fine. 2 parents divs, and for parents div, first is fxFlex. First is 80%. This is 80%, and okay, and second is 20%. And inside 80% there is a big div. Let me see. Yeah, but let's first this define for our format. So fxFlex dot small 100%, and fxFlex dot extra small again 100%. So flex to 80, 20, 100, 100. that's fine. And let's write let's copy this one so that we don't need here. Okay, and one more thing here will become first child and it's hello world. Okay, and let's say this is big div, so class big div, because it will be this one. I don't have anything here. Okay, so big div, now define this one, and for the big div it's 100% here, 100% here, and here, so everything is 100%. Let's do it. Okay, so 100% here, 100%, 100%, and 100%, and let's copy this one so the text will be in the center of the div. That's done, and let's do with the other three children. And let's say class and div A, B, and C. Put the name here. Let's see, 7, 8, 9. So 7, 8, and 9. And what next? Now let's do. Okay, fxFlex when the screen is normal. This is 100%. What means that? This means when they are here, so 100% of the parent. So parent is 20%. That's parent is 20%, but these are the 100%. That's good. Oh, when fxFlex dot small, then 33%. When there is a small screen, the parent is now 100%. So 33, 33, and 34. So let's make this one for 34. Let's copy, and one more, and this time this is extra small, and that's good. I hope so. Let's see the, yeah, I know, because I forgot this one. And yeah, okay, now that's fine. Let's add this one so the text is aligned. Okay, so now text is in the center. The text is here, only the problem is it should be colorful and like that. So this is a big div. Let's come here. This will have a different background color this time. Big div, and font size, let's say 40, and this one 66, 480, so 480, and the color is different. So let's change this one. Yeah, here I have a color. So let's see. Yeah, that's fine. That's our, okay, that's very good. This is working for the normal screen very well. Let's see the behavior for the small screen. When the screen is small, yes, these are move, and they are in the bottom. And when the screen is extra small, still they are in the bottom. That's the attitude we like to have. So that's very good. Let's have a, let's define the bottom div just for to complete the layout. Let's see, and let's say this one, let's copy. Now this one, but and now we are going to have div the bottom, and let's say class, not class, bottom div, and inside here, first of all, it will be, yeah, it will be the default behavior 70 and 80%, and inside I'm just saying all rights, all copy, yeah, COPY, copyrights is reserved. Yeah, let's, and bottom div, just copy this one because it's the bottom. It will have the same colors. So bottom div, background color is fine, color is white, font size let's say 10, no, height is 30, and font size I say 10 pixel. I think it's good. Yeah, only one thing is this is not in the center, so just copy this one to make it center. So now in the center. Yeah, that's a attitude, that's a behavior of the row, and I like it in the just in the bottom. It's now complete box. So let's see at the small. Yeah, that's fine, that's like it. Let's see for the small, it's also, yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let's check on for different devices. Okay, so I have an iPad Pro, sorry, iPhone 12. It looks like this one. Let's see at iPad, and it's like that. Okay, and when is iPad Pro? That's good. And when is I don't know, what's Galaxy 3? Yeah, it's natural. Anyhow, that's the thing, that's the target we like to have, and it's working. It's look like exactly there. Yeah, there's extra space, but I think it's more, it looks more better when they are close. So that's it, that's the layout, that's a Flex layout library. It's very fun, it's very easy, and that was my focus today.